Hi, so today I stumbled upon a particular software. I've been using Figma the whole time, but there is a software called Lunacy, and this is what I'm using in this video. And I just want to put one or two things together using Golden Canon grid and see what I can just come up with and see how this software actually works. It works pretty well, only that I had a little issue with the preview or something. But other than that, well, I guess maybe I've not really gotten my way around that software, and it's very good, and it works offline. Like this one I'm doing is actually offline, not connected to the internet at the moment. So as you can see, I'm just putting things together to see what I can come up with. And little at the end, I realized I made some mistakes, but well, it's not about the mistake, about the software and design. Do enjoy the video and leave your comments for me so I can attend to them. And if there's anything you expect me to correct or to talk about concerning this software, I'll be there. Okay, see you next time.